Meaning of High Street.
High Street.
High Street.
High Street.
High Street. High Street is a term commonly used in the United Kingdom to refer to the main commercial and retail area in a town or city. Typically, it includes a variety of shops, cafes, restaurants, and other services. The term High Street originates from the fact that in many towns, this area was located on the highest point of the settlement, where the main road passed through. Today, the High Street represents the heart of many communities, and it is often the focus of local events and festivities. It serves as a hub of activity and commerce within the town or city.